Cybersecurity in 2026 is no longer a general defense strategy. It is industry-specific, threat-driven, and regulation-focused. While ransomware, phishing, and zero-day exploits impact every organization, the way these threats affect a hospital is very different from how they affect a bank, a retail store, a government agency, or a manufacturing plant. Each sector has its own risk exposure, operational dependency, and attacker motivation. In this video, we'll explore the cybersecurity trends by industry in 2026. As digital transformation accelerates, industries are becoming more interconnected, more data-driven, and more automated. At the same time, cybercriminals are becoming more specialized. Instead of launching random attacks, threat actors now analyze sector-specific weaknesses such as compliance gaps, legacy infrastructure, transaction systems, supply chains, and industrial networks. Let's explore how 5 major industries are experiencing cybersecurity trends in 2026 and how they are strengthening their defenses. Number 1. Healthcare industry. The healthcare industry faces one of the most complex cybersecurity environments because it manages highly sensitive patient data, including medical histories, insurance details, prescriptions, and personal identifiers. Medical records are extremely valuable to cybercriminals due to their long-term usefulness in identity theft and fraud. In 2026, ransomware remains one of the biggest threats to hospitals and clinics, as attackers exploit the urgency of medical services to pressure organizations into paying ransoms quickly. Additionally, the growing adoption of telemedicine platforms and connected medical devices has expanded the attack surface significantly. To respond to these challenges, healthcare organizations are implementing zero-trust architectures, encrypting endpoints such as laptops and portable medical equipment, segmenting clinical networks from administrative systems, and enforcing strong multi-factor authentication for patient portals. Compliance with healthcare privacy regulations continues to drive heavy investment in identity management, monitoring tools, and secure data storage solutions. Number 2. Financial services. Financial institutions, including banks, fintech companies, and payment processors, are prime targets for cybercriminals due to the direct monetary value of the data they hold. Customer account details, transaction records, credit card information, and investment portfolios present lucrative opportunities for fraud and theft. In 2026, financial cyberattacks are becoming increasingly sophisticated, involving account takeovers, fraudulent wire transfers, insider threats, and stealth data exfiltration. Because even minor vulnerabilities can result in massive financial losses, institutions are investing heavily in artificial intelligence-powered anomaly detection systems that monitor transactions in real time. Behavioral biometrics, device trust validation, and micro-segmentation of internal networks are becoming standard practices. Strict regulatory frameworks also require continuous auditing, compliance reporting, and advanced fraud detection systems. The focus in financial cybersecurity is speed. Threats must be detected and neutralized instantly to prevent cascading financial damage. Number 3. Retail and e-commerce. Retail and e-commerce platforms operate in high transaction environments where customer experience and uptime are critical. These businesses process large volumes of digital payments, manage loyalty programs, and rely heavily on third-party integrations. In 2026, common threats include credential stuffing attacks, credit card skimming, malicious checkout page injections, and supply chain compromises. Seasonal shopping peaks create additional risk because attackers exploit high traffic periods to conceal malicious activity. To combat these threats, retailers are integrating security directly into their development processes through DevSecOps practices, deploying web application firewalls to filter malicious traffic, and implementing artificial intelligence-driven fraud detection systems that monitor purchasing behavior in real time. Payment security compliance remains a major focus, and companies are increasingly auditing third-party vendors to prevent indirect breaches. In retail, cybersecurity is directly tied to customer trust and brand reputation, making prevention a business-critical priority. Number 4. Government and public sector. Government agencies and public sector organizations manage vast amounts of citizen data, including identification numbers, tax records, social services information, and transportation databases. These institutions are frequently targeted not only for financial gain but also for political disruption, espionage, and service interruption. One of the primary challenges in 2026 is the presence of legacy systems that lack modern security controls, combined with limited cybersecurity budgets. Stolen credentials and phishing attacks remain common entry points for attackers attempting to impersonate officials or divert public funds. To strengthen resilience, many agencies are adopting zero-trust frameworks, deploying endpoint detection and response systems, conducting extensive employee cybersecurity training, and forming partnerships with private cybersecurity vendors. Modernization efforts are ongoing, but the balance between upgrading infrastructure and maintaining essential public services remains a major challenge. Number 5. Manufacturing and Industrial Internet of Things. The manufacturing sector is undergoing rapid digital transformation as operational technology systems merge with information technology networks. Smart factories now rely on connected machinery, sensors, automated production lines, and real-time data analytics. While this increases efficiency, it also introduces significant cybersecurity risks. A compromised industrial controller or vulnerable embedded device can shut down production, damage equipment, or disrupt supply chains. In 2026, attackers increasingly target outdated firmware and weakly secured industrial Internet of Things devices to gain access to plant networks. To mitigate these risks, manufacturers are deploying specialized operational technology security platforms that monitor machine-to-machine communication and detect anomalies. Network micro-segmentation on plant floors, routine firmware patching, and continuous endpoint scanning are becoming standard practices. Unlike other industries, cyber incidents in manufacturing can have physical consequences, making operational continuity a top priority. Cybersecurity in 2026 is shaped by industry-specific risk landscapes. Healthcare focuses on protecting patient safety and medical data. Financial institutions prioritize real-time fraud detection and transaction integrity. Retailers defend customer trust and payment systems. Government agencies safeguard citizen information and public infrastructure. Manufacturers secure production environments and industrial automation systems. While the technologies may overlap, such as artificial intelligence monitoring and zero-trust architecture, their implementation strategies differ significantly across sectors. Understanding these distinctions is essential for building effective, future-ready cybersecurity defenses. If you want more deep, structured breakdowns of cybersecurity trends, emerging threats, and industry-specific insights, make sure to subscribe. On this channel, we simplify complex cybersecurity concepts and keep you ahead of evolving digital risks.